Every 40 seconds, a cerebrovascular event, a stroke, occurs. For many, the outcome is irreversible, resulting in a loss of motor function, memory, and communication abilities. While the search for causes often points to genetics and age, scientific evidence reveals a primary trigger hiding in plain sight: our diet. A stroke results from an interruption of blood supply to the brain. In nearly 90% of cases, it is an ischemic stroke caused by a blockage. The foundation for such a blockage is often built over years, molecule by molecule, by the food we consume. Let's examine a key contributor: processed meats. This category includes bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and cured deli meats. Their processing methods introduce a cocktail of sodium, nitrates, and saturated fats that initiate a cascade of damaging events within the vascular system. The process begins at the cellular level with the endothelium, the single layer of cells lining our blood vessels. A healthy endothelium produces nitric oxide, a vital vasodilator that keeps arteries flexible and blood flowing smoothly. When processed meats are consumed regularly, this system becomes compromised. High sodium levels induce hypertension by increasing blood volume. Nitrates contribute to arterial stiffness and vascular damage. Saturated and trans fats raise levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol. This combination fosters chronic inflammation. The endothelium loses its ability to produce sufficient nitric oxide, a condition known as endothelial dysfunction. LDL cholesterol oxidizes and adheres to arterial walls, forming atherosclerotic plaques. These plaques narrow the arteries, creating a dangerous bottleneck that restricts blood flow. The stroke itself is often the final, catastrophic event. A plaque may rupture, triggering the body's clotting mechanism. A thrombus, blood clot, forms. If this clot breaks free and travels to the brain, it can lodge in a cerebral artery, depriving brain cells of oxygen and causing cell death within minutes. The data is unequivocal. A comprehensive meta-analysis published in leading medical journals found that a daily intake of just 50 grams of processed meat is associated with nearly a 20% increase in stroke risk. This represents a clear scientific consensus. Yet the human body possesses a remarkable capacity for repair. This pathological process is not irreversible. Evidence-based interventions. 1. Cessation. Eliminate processed meats from the diet to remove a major source of vascular injury. 2. Dietary modulation. Introduce therapeutic foods that actively reverse damage. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale are rich in natural nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide, improving vasodilation and lowering blood pressure. Polyphenols. Found in berries and other colorful fruits, these compounds provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support to stabilize the endothelium. Omega-3 fatty acids. Sourced from fatty fish, flaxseed, and chia seeds, these healthy fats enhance arterial flexibility by integrating into cell membranes. Alliums. Garlic and onions contain natural anticoagulant and antiplatelet compounds, reducing the risk of clot formation. 3. Lifestyle support. Daily physical activity enhances circulation and cardiovascular efficiency, while proper hydration maintains optimal blood viscosity. Conclusion. Stroke is not merely a consequence of age or genetics. It is often the culmination of long-term physiological changes heavily influenced by diet. By understanding these mechanisms, we can make informed, deliberate choices to dismantle risk factors, restore vascular health, and protect the intricate functions of the human brain.